Hey everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Booking.com. If you're browsing hotels or flights on Booking.com and the prices are showing in the currency you don't prefer, then you can easily change the currency in a quick and simple way. First of all, launch open the Booking.com application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page or the search page of Booking.com, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Account. From the My Accounts page, scroll down and tap on Device Preferences. On the next page, tap on Currency. Now, select a currency you want to change to. Once you are done, you will then be able to change the currency in your Booking.com app instantly. Changing your currency on Booking.com helps you compare prices more easily and avoid confusions while booking. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.